Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by updating the tools that deliver emojis. Open Google Play, find Gboard, and tap Update. This gives you the newest emoji features. Once done, go to Settings System Update and install any pending Android updates to ensure the emoji font is current. Make sure Gboard is set as your keyboard in languages and input so new emoji options actually appear when you type. These steps ensure both the keyboard and system support the latest emoji set. Now you'll enable and test the emoji tools inside Gboard. Open any messaging app, tap a text field, then the emoji icon to open the panel. Make sure in Gboard Settings Preferences and Theme that emojis and stickers are enabled. This exposes Emoji Kitchen and new sticker combos. Try typing an emoji and watch Emoji Kitchen suggestions appear above the keyboard. Tap a combination to insert it. If you want frequent access, long press the emoji key to jump straight to emoji suggestions. Finish by confirming the emojis appear where you type and saving any keyboard preferences. If new emojis don't show, force close the messaging app or reboot your phone to refresh system fonts. Make sure Google Play system updates are installed because emoji fonts sometimes come via those updates. If problems persist, go to Settings Apps Gboard and clear cache. You can also reinstall Gboard. One key troubleshooting tip: if emojis look blank, update both the keyboard app and the Android system font updates before anything else.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.